This video you're watching right now took me 45 minutes to produce. Total cost, $0. The entire thing was built with AI tools on free tiers, and in the next 7 minutes, I'm going to show you the exact 5-tool stack I used, including the 3 things AI completely failed at. If you're a solopreneur or creator who wants to produce professional video content without a team or a budget, this is your playbook. Quick context, I'm not a video editor, I'm not a voice actor. I had no existing audience, no equipment, and no budget when I started this channel 3 days ago. This is video number 2. Everything I built here, you can replicate tonight. Let's start with the honest part, the money. Total cash spent producing this video, $0. Here's the catch. Free tiers exist on every tool I'm about to show you. The moment you want to scale past roughly 10 to 15 videos per month, you'll need to upgrade. Realistic paid tier cost when you scale, about $25 per month total, not per video, per month. That's the number to remember. First tool, the scriptwriter. I used Claude, though ChatGPT or Gemini work similarly. I give it a specific prompt with structure, audience, and tone. What used to take a human scriptwriter 4 hours, Claude delivers in 20 seconds. The catch, the raw output is always about 80% there. I always rewrite the hook and the call to action manually. That's non-negotiable. If you use the raw AI hook, you sound like every other AI channel. Don't do that. Second, ElevenLabs for the voiceover. This is the voice you're listening to right now, generated from text. The free tier gives you 10,000 characters per month, about 4 videos my length. The moment you cross that line, you pay about $22 a month for unlimited. Here's what ElevenLabs fails at. Specialized terminology, unusual names, and long technical words often come out wrong. I fix these manually, usually 3 to 5 edits per script. Third, visuals. I use Pexels for B-roll. Completely free. No attribution required. No watermarks. The catch. Everybody else uses Pexels too. Your B-roll will look generic unless you mix aggressively. I download about 8 clips per video and trim hard. One long B-roll clip is way too long. Fourth, video assembly. This is where most creators use CapCut or Premiere. I use FFmpeg, a command line tool that's completely free and automates the entire editing process. With one script, I concatenate the clips, loop them to match the audio, add a blurred background for vertical clips, and export in one step. If you're not technical, CapCut free tier does the same job with 30 extra minutes of manual work. For me, FFmpeg is the biggest time saver in the entire stack. Fifth, the thumbnail. I generate these with AI image generators. I give a very specific prompt: style, text placement, colors, contrast. The output is about 70% there. I always adjust the final text overlay manually in Canva, which is also free. A good thumbnail is the single highest leverage element on YouTube. Do not skip this part. Now the part no AI channel tells you. Here's what AI actually failed at in this video. 1. The strategic angle. AI writes generic scripts until you manually give it a unique point of view. The 91 versus 5,000 angle in my last video? I wrote that. Claude would have given you a forgettable top 7 listicle. 2. Pronunciation. Names, technical terms, even some tool names came out wrong. I had to regenerate multiple sections. 3. Pacing and edits. AI doesn't know when to cut, when to pause, when to zoom. Every cut in this video was a human decision. If you don't add this layer, your video will be technically clean but emotionally flat. Here's the math that matters. Traditional video production timeline for a 9-minute piece, 6 to 8 hours. My time with this stack, 45 minutes. Speed increase, roughly 8 to 10 times faster. Money saved versus paying a freelance team, about $300 per video. Time to ROI on the upgrade to paid tiers. If you monetize a single video with affiliate links, one conversion covers your monthly tool cost. Quick honesty note. Some links in the description are affiliate links. If you sign up through them, I get a small commission. That doesn't change what I recommended. I only use tools I've actually tested. This is my personal workflow, not financial or professional advice. Do your own research before you subscribe to anything. If this breakdown helped you, subscribe. Next week, I'm publishing the Automation Stack, how I use Make to automate 90% of my posting, cross-posting, and newsletter distribution. You don't want to miss that one. See you Tuesday.